yourself to proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Fireball!
Enemy soldier incoming. Start warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Hello, hello.
What's up, bro?
Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Alright.
Battle Royale.
Where are you
Gas is
going?
approaching your
Where are we
position.
dropping?
Move to the safe zone.
Hill base? Or we alright. Got mine.
Alright.
Got mine.
What's up, mine?
We should drop there.
Of mine, of mine.
Primary objective is to kill them all. Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Morgan, wall here.
SMG here.
Uh-oh.
Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment.
Go into this building.
Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns
Alright,
them
I'll pick you
redeployment.
up, bro.
Be advised, your teammate got their ass kicked.
Gonna buy him back. Building gulag.
Your teammate got a proper sorting. We're sending them over.
Now we have to run.
Not looted.
Moving.
Oh, do you guys wanna go there by the Ray?
Rossi system deployed.
Yep.
Not looted for sure.
Aid station here.
We don't have enough money yet, so gonna. Oh, someone's coming.
Sniper rifle here.
Gonna loot this building.
Moving.
I got plates here.
Plate box. Nice.
Anyone?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I also got a plate box.
keep it.
Oh shit, they're coming. Shooting at me.
Contract time expired. We lost the target.
Anyone need body armor?
I have a plate box over here. You can revive Jedi Master.
Alright.
You guys wanna go here instead?
Vendor here if you need equipment.
In the safe zone. Watch
Here?
for enemy.
Yeah.
Let's go. Cover me.
Yeah, I'll come with you. Go purple. Is my mic too loud or?
Now just right, bro. How about mine? Just format my laptop.
Oh, it's looted. Okay. Now let's get money for loadout. What do you guys think? Do you guys want to go there or TV station?
Moving.
There's someone in TV station.
Moving.
Oh shit.
Enemy
They're
helo.
going there.
Contact.
Someone's dropping. Where are we going now?
I don't know. I think they grabbed everything there. I'm checking the map.
I think let's just go. Let's just go to TV station.
Alright.
Let's go. As long as we go there together.
Okay.
We die together. Oh, there you go. I hope it's a orange box.
Moving. Does anyone need this? Assault rifle here. SMG here.
You need plate orange? Here, I'll drop some plates over here.
Body armor here. Body armor here.
Marking a supply run contract.
I'm gonna get the car.
Alright.
Then we go that mark. I hope someone here.
I think there's someone in here.
Oh my gosh! Oh no! Oh
Just-
no!
Just pin the enemy if you see them.
Yeah, sorry. It's a what? It's a squad. Squad.
Oh shit. The whole team is here.
Yeah. No time to.
Yeah, no. It's alright.
You're in the gulag now.
We don't have
Fight
UAV
for
too, so.
redeployment. We got a proper fight here. You can practice your aim while you wait. Watching your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads. So is a well-placed stone. Fight's kicking off.
He's all the way.
Your teammates
Oh,
done
no.
in. They're returning to
I
base.
died.
It's all up to you now. Go for the win. Listen up, soldier. You lose, you're done. Sort them out or capture the objective.
guess I'm gonna get the king.
Kick their ass.
Oh, it's a loadout
Stand by
over
for
here.
redeployment.
Spotted a care package. Light vehicle here. All right.
Can you guys pin a most wanted for me, please?
Most wanted, the nearest would be...
All right.
Where is it? You can try first the run supply here.
Alright, I'll go for
Way
that then.
nearer.
But what? Oh.
Get to the target
Oh.
area.
Oh.
Perfect.
Uh-huh. I can revive one.
Oh no!
What?
Run, run,
Ah, fuck.
run! Coming.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it happened. I saw that.
Where?
Holy-
Where? Where?
Left and right. Yourself, bro.
I panicked and shit.
Moving out. Get yourself to proper warm-up. We'll be deployed soon. Dropping into the AO. Warm-up's done. Time to get resolved.
Anyone got a mic? You guys wanna go boneyard?
Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone. Watch the skies. Next objective located.
Enemies in the area!
Next objective located. Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment. Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
LMG here. Does anyone need this?
Contract complete. Next supply box is located.
Sniper rifle here.
I wanna go get a loadout.
Vendor here if you need equipment. Assault rifle, body armor here. SMG here.
Arms mobile. Enemy UAV overhead.
Head for target location. Disregard. Disregard. Hostile maneuvering. Setting waypoint. Done.
Target marked. Send it.
Striker 3-1, good copy. Strike inbound.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Correct hit.
Found some small caliber.
Contact! Hostile.
Everywhere.
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment. Fight's kicking off. You're up next. You win this fight and you return to the front line. If you lose, you're done. Yeah, you kick their ass. Stand by for redeployment.
Light vehicle here. Light vehicle here. Light vehicle here.
Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
Enemy vehicle!
Does anyone need this?
Disregard now.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Looted.
SMG here.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
Enemies in the area! Taking fire! Taking fire! I'll follow you.
The enemy took that one, but we'll be back to finish the job.
Enemies in the area!
Get yourself to proper warm-up. We'll be deployed soon. The area. Watch the
Target down!
enemy soldier incoming. Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off. for your team. You'll lead them in. Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get moving.
Got a mic.
Does anyone need this?
Eliminate all targets in the AO. Supply box located.
Spotted an assault rifle.
Be advised, there's an enemy team hunting you. Next objective located.
Spotted the launcher.
Next objective located.
Copy that.
Your teammate has entered the Gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment. Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
Just want to get a loadout. Oh, it's not enough. Huh?
Take this.
Light vehicle here.
Gas is moving.
Body armor here.
Copy.
Move!
All right, passenger.
I can drive.
Enemy lost track of you. You're safe.
Device spotted.
I'll drive.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom. You can practice your aim while you wait. To Taunting your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads. So is a well-placed stone. There's a fight kicking off. Get yourself sorted. You're up next. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Kick their ass. Stand by for redeployment.
My station marked.
Teammate redeployed to the AR.
Plunder cash here.
Failed. Let's sharpen up.
They don't have enough money.
Plunder cash here.
Get the
Does anyone need this?
Enemy UAV overhead. Supply box ready for pickup. Next objective location. Next objective located.
Sniper rifle over here.
Primary objective accomplished. Supply box is found.
get a loadout.
Loadout drop headed your way.
I'm moving.
Safe zone relocated. Your teammates sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Go to the base station.
Time's running out. Get to the target area.
Let's
My
get
station
some
marked.
I'll take it.
Teammate redeploying to the AO.
Buckle up. I am driving.
Vehicle marked. Understood on transport. Hopping on.
Plunder cash. Plunder cash here.
Go buy a UAV or something.
Bring that UAV overhead. You've got gas moving in.
Oh shit, airstrike, airstrike.
Precision airstrike. Take cover.
Safe zone.
UAV hard that time, but we'll settle the... Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon. Done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Enemy soldier incoming.
Does anyone need this?
Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your team, soldier. Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get moving.
Waypoint marked.
Engage all targets. Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out. Being tracked by an enemy team. Stay sharp. Well done.
Anybody see any plates?
You guys want to get a loadout?
Yeah.
Buy station here.
Right beside me here.
Does anyone need this?
All right, I'll meet you guys over there. I'm just gonna finish this boxes over here.
I'll take it. You're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Enemy lost track of you. You're safe. Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Can buy ammunition if you guys.
I think I'm good.
Good.
I got plenty of ammo.
Here's the bounty. Change.
Plunder cash here.
You loot over here?
Moving.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Does anyone need this?
Moving out.
S-
Lima Charlie, moving.
Going through there.
Enemies in the area! Affirmative.
You guys want to push on that one?
Yeah, we can.
Enemies in the area! Moving.
But do you think they have a loadout already, or?
I'm gonna pop another one here in a second.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Enemies in the area! Disregard last.
Moving.
They're going away, running away. They're out in the open. There's still one left.
Moving position.
Moving. Contact!
Throwing thermite.
You're having a loadout?
fuck did they go?
Loadout drop headed your way.
Spotted a care package.
Go get a ghost. Yes, sir.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
We're already in the middle, so this is a good spot. Do you guys want to go to Summit?
I'll do whatever.
We can hold the spot.
I definitely gotta get some plates.
I think we're in a good spot. We can get the high ground up here.
Light vehicle here. Moving.
Medical supplies located.
I'll take that. I'll be back.
Eyes on target.
Just gonna go pick up the. Go to the fire station. I think there's a zip line in below the helipad.
Got gas moving in.
Oh shit.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Oh, someone's in there.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Enemies in the area.
UAV overhead.
Holy fuck.
Taking shots here.
Enemies in the area.
There's more over there.
I want a zip line. That goes.
I down one by the helipad. There's a zip line over here.
It might be risky.
Oh shit, there's someone in here. I'm dead. Ah, fuck. I down one.
Alright, we're taking the long way. Grab that bounty.
Ah, fuck. He's alive.
This is the Gulag. Survive and you can redeploy. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Stand by for redeployment.
Lethal grenade over here.
Cleaned out. Could be an ambush.
I've got you.
Oh, what? I just fell. By the zip line, dude.
Get to the new safe zone.
Oil tank.
Coordinates marked.
Yeah, there's a team over there. The guy who killed me. You guys have an extra plate?
I have no place.
Objective is to
maneuvering.
eliminate the bounty target.
Head for target location.
Oh, what happened?
Your teammates in the gulag. If they survive, they can redeploy. Be advised, your teammate got their ass kicked. They're RTB at this time. Losing ground.
Jesus.
Oh shit. You good?
Yeah, I got no fucking place.
We're in
Oh,
safe
here's the
zone.
extra
Watch
plate.
for enemy. Body armor here.
I only have one. See the wing over there. I don't have a snipe. By himself. Oh, there's someone behind us. This building.
Moving.
I think we're good over here so far. For now. Do you want me to buy back the purple?
I'm under fire.
Yeah, I would go do it. I just don't know how to get there.
Hell yes. Got that cash.
Marking waypoint.
One down over there. Two of them. One right up on top of the hill.
SMG here. LMG here.
Contract time expired. We lost the target.
Anyone need this?
What?
Got that truck.
Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
Where the hell are you at? Down to
Gas is inbound.
Nice,
Marking new
nice.
safe zone.
Contact.
I'm safe. I'm using my
Enemy cluster strike incoming. Take cover.
Trophy system deployed.
Wait, what?
Enemy soldier
Hold on, hold on.
incoming.
I've got you!
Oh my god. I just shot the guy out of the car.
Oh, nice, nice.
Oh, they're here.
Your teammate has entered the gulag.
We're not
Surviving
out here.
earns them
Oh, the
redeployment.
teammates over here. We can kill this, we can get money.
Contact!
Be advised, your teammate got their ass kicked. They're RTB at this time.
He's on the top. Buy station.
I'm hit!
Here. Oh.
Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment. Time's up. Objective failed.
Where's my sniper right there?
Gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. Only 25 remain. Loadout drop headed your way. Your teammate is redeployed. Stand by.
I got money. Oh shit, I don't have enough money.
Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is
A
closing
lot
in.
of loot here.
You're the last one on your team. Finish the job. Enemy UAV overhead.
Ah.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Put out.
Sniper up on that roof over there too.
Sniper where?
Straight ahead on the left side, that brick building.
Got gas moving in.
Straight.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, I
Moving.
thought you seen his flashlight. There you go.
Yeah, oh, sniper. Eee. Get a cover.
9 targets remain standing. Sort them out. Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Ah!
10 was still
Where
standing.
did I stand up? Oh, it's from the top.
Return to base.
Yeah, I fell down by the rocks. I should have gone into the other side for the fire station.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Alright, that's enough fucking about. Now we do this for real. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Battle
Affirmative.
Royale.
Does anyone need this?
Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Be advised, gas is closing in. Keep to the safe zone. Clear to engage all targets. Bounty target is up. Let's get it done.
LMG here. Send Claymore.
Down. Well done.
Can I get a loadout?
Your teammate was sent to the Gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy. Strike incoming. Take cover. Enemy UAV overhead. This is the Gulag. Survive and you can redeploy. The fight's begun. Practice your aim while you wait. Taunting your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads. So is a well-placed stone. The fight's on. Get ready to fight. You're next. Right. RTB at this time. Be advised,
Let's go.
Your teammate got their ass kicked. They're RTB at this time. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose your fight. Sort them out or capture the objective. Gave them a proper story. Stand by for redeployment.
Does anyone need this?
Run! Get to the zone!
identified. Marking location now. Next objective located.
Aid station marked. Move to the next location. All supply boxes
Body armor
found.
here.
Solid work.
Found a vendor. Get you supplies.
I'll drive.
Loadout drop inbound. Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone. Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment.
Target down!
Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
Anyone got a mic?
Yep.
You guys wanna drop?
Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get moving.
That's our drop location.
Does anyone need this?
Let's get it done. Enemy soldier incoming. Bounty target has been marked. Kill him. Bounty target is down. Well done.
I'm hit! I'm hit!
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy soldier incoming. Bounty target has been marked. Kill him. Bounty target is down. Well done.
Target down!
Your teammate is sent to the You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment. Here we go. You can practice your aim while you wait. Taunting your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads. So is a well-placed stone. the fight. You're next. Last kick. They're RTB at this time. Win here and you return to the front line. The fight is over.
Oye, ¿qué pasa?
You gave them a proper sword. Stand by for redeployment. Your teammate was sent to the back. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy. Just inbound. Your teammate's done in. They're returning to base.
Get to the safe zone.
Go to buy station. But just buy them back. Your money. Oh.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Buy them back.
I'm hit.
Yeah.
Drone pilots love to skip the
weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Enemy soldier incoming. Enemy soldier incoming. Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
Ano, may sasama. Yun.
Eh, taga Dubai din yan.
Low, low, low.
Lads, balita. Jer.
Ayos lang, Lods. Ayos lang, ayos lang. Yan lang nakapaglaro ng ganitong oras ulit.
Oo nga. Ayan, mga loadin natin, taga Dubai din.
Dito mga Lods,
Taga
pabuhat.
Dubai ba kayo lahat?
Oo.
Yung pinsan ko taga Dubai. Ako nasa ano,
Sa Canada nga pala.
sa LA. California.
LA.
Sila taga Canada, sila Master Duby, Ty Lodi.
Sila Master Baby. Sila tayo nga pala.
Sila Posa, sina Hijacker.
LA.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deployed shortly.
Kanina ba kayo?
Enemy dropping into the AO. Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off. your team. You've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
Tayo mga lad.
Pinya lang,
Sakay
Lods.
na tayo. Sakay na tayo dito ha.
Tinitira ka na nasa likod mo.
Coordinates locked. Marking waypoint.
Hindi kayo ng mga nasa likod eh.
Humiwalay, humiwalay.
Asa na lahat?
Waypoint.
Going this way. Come up this way.
Your primary objective is to kill them all.
Try mic mo.
Ang pera. Box.
Ano yung sasakyan ha? Okay, pala
Okay.
yun.
Assault rifle here. Disregard last. Body armor here. Assault rifle here.
Ala pera.
Body armor here. Assault rifle here.
Pera ito.
Ang ina, walang pera. Ano ba yun?
Ito kaya.
Kasya na ata. Kasya na.
Hey, may buy station dyan.
Oo, kasha. Wala eh. Dito yung buy eh.
Yan o.
Disregard last.
Dito tayo.
Vendor marked.
Ito tayo. Ada dyan na? Oo, sige.
I'll take it.
Copy, copy.
Nagbabari na ron. Bandang kanan natin.
Ay, naipit.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Friendly loadout.
Tingin sa
on the
clear.
way.
Slaughter cash here.
Ito kaso.
UAV UAV.
Body armor here.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Ay! Naku, nawala. Pera.
I'm off this way.
Kailangan mo?
Ito pa.
Baby na lang. Ay, sa pa. Gusto. Saan tayo? Sa police?
Right.
Right pushing ka. Kalaban ba dyan?
Wala yan. Hindi ko. May UAV pa ako eh. Gusto niyo yung pop ko eh.
Wala kalaban dito.
Hindi pa looted.
Drop ko tong pera dito sa buy station yung... Kahit ano.
Ay na, DC pa ata ako. DC nga ako.
Plunder cash
Busy
here.
ka?
Bigyan lumiwanag.
Oo nga,
DC ako.
nag-slide ka na oh.
DC nga ang putang ina. Shit!
Yun lang.
Ganda naka-loadout na eh.
Asa, DC na?
Balik ba?
Wala na ba?
Doon na siya eh. Sa may ano eh. Tuloy-tuloy siya dun oh. Tayo lumber.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Spotted a care package.
Ayan oh.
Ito lang. Patay na. Oh my goodness, sayang naman. Reset.
Yeah, sige. Pwede rin kayo. Sige.
Relocating the safe zone.
Ha?
Sige, pwede. Yung bala.
Reset ba tapusin?
Okay lang din ako kung tapusin. Okay lang din ako pag-reset. Kaya taro. Yan, natanong.
Request recon flyover.
UAV entering the AO.
May kalaban sa ba, ano?
Does anyone need this? Enemy helo.
Saan tayo mga lods? Sa kaliwa tayo.
Yan, sali tayo sa mga bakbakan nila.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Uy. Saan yan, Charay? Nakita ka?
Yan, dun.
Your teammate was sent to the gulag.
May bato.
They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Waller yung mga yun.
Nice.
Windows closing. Get to safety.
Your teammate's done in. They're
team
returning
what?
to base.
Hindi pa,
Uy,
hindi pa.
meron pa. Oh, shit. Oh, pala dun. Hindi ko nakita.
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out.
Ay,
Stand by for redeployment. Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Does anyone need this? Light vehicle here.
Ay, may tao po. Maraming tao sa stadium.
Does anyone want this? I found a vehicle. Found an aid station. Okay, action.
Friendly
Send the
UAV
flyover.
overhead.
malapit. Ah. Walang loadout ano.
Moving up. Moving up. Enemy vehicle.
Saan yung kalaban? Nandyan? Meron dyan?
Baka may pera pa dito.
Oh, ano
Ay, may pera. May ano na pala.
Found some body armor.
Oh, Lambay Station.
saan tayo magbabay?
May dito.
Vendor here if you need a disregard blast.
Gas is closing in.
Dito.
Relocating the safe
Vendor
zone.
here if you need vendor here if you need equipment.
May sasakyan naman dito eh. Gusto nyo?
Kaya ba?
Kaya mag-drive. Ay, may kalaban, may kalaban. Sa harapan natin. Yan, naka-loadout sila.
Up front.
Takas na muna kayo.
Ay, sakay ka. Ah! Sakay, Ray. Patay ba?
Patay, patay. May pera sila. Ay. You know, daming pera oh. Naka-loadout pa yung mga yon, mga gago.
Windows closing. Get to safety. Found some body armor.
Tara, Ray.
Alright, let's go.
May nang-snipe pa. Abot.
Kung kaya lang, Lods, pag hindi, wag nang ano.
Ah, putang ina mo, mamatay pa.
Sana walang kalaban. Meron pa sa dulo eh, kung gusto nyo ng ano eh. Ano, walang nagka-camp dito.
Ay, putang ina mo, ano?
King yan, hindi magana.
Pre, bumaba ata. Ah, hindi ba?
Hindi, king yan. Hindi siya lalaban.
May nabili na ako loadout.
Moving up.
Loadout drop inbound.
Ano yun? Oh, shit.
Gas is inbound.
Oh, tiyakan ako ng dead naman. Daanan ba dito? Extra kayong plato.
Loadout drop inbound.
Plates.
Ha?
Extra kayong plates yan. Pang kompleto lang. Thank you, thank
Hindi
you.
ah. Ang itong healing ko sumusunod ah.
Gas din yun. Fly chopper.
Pre,
Gotcha.
ano oh?
Got gas moving in.
Tao dyan?
Windows closing. Get to safety.
Dami ah. Gas mask ba sila?
Meron dyan.
Ayos, ayos. Ito na. Tambay muna. Nag-ghost na kaya? Uy, kalaban
Amen.
dito.
Saan?
Sarapan lang, sarapan.
25 remain. Solid work so far.
Down yung isa.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Pre, nag-out ako ha.
Uy, shit! Meron pa pala.
I'm driving up in.
Kaya.
Tang ina.
Umuusok
Ano
oh.
mo dyan? Instead na hindi ka nakikita, nandiyan ka pa.
Okay lang yun.
Nag-overheat oh. Airstrike.
Ang dami pala doon, 4. Isang team.
Nakalimutan mo yung airstrike mo ah.
Oo nga eh, meron pala ako. Eh.
Ubus yun.
Uy, not joinable. Oh, sige. GG na ako, men.
Yun na kayo?
Ayun. Ako lang.
Sige,
Out
sige,
ako, men.
salamat.
Salamat.
Yan o. Si Chef Zoro.
Di ko alam. Out na rin na siguro ako.
Out ka na rin? Ah, sige.
Asan na sila, Lods?
GG na raw daw sila eh. Invite mo yung isa. Hindi ko alam kung siguradong GG na siya eh.
Yung isa, sino ba yung isa?
Si,
Pangalan ng isa? Invite niya ako, hindi naman ako makapasok. Pangalan.
Hindi ko na i-add eh. Sige.
Yan, ito sabihin. Present player. Wala.
Natanong ko lang kung ito ang isang ano kasama ko, kung ilan sila.
Hindi ko makakita.
Yon!
Oh,
Kasi
loads.
kasama mo.
Try ko. Try ko.
Sige, Taron. Gusto mo nag-invite si Cloud, ano to? Cloud 10? Cloud 10?
Tayo na. Alis na lang ako.
Linsan?
Alis na lang ako.
Yun, si Sep Toro.
Chef Soro pala to eh.
Mga Lodi. Kaya nga.
Ano saya?
Apat kami kanina eh. GG na yung dalawa.
Apat kayo kanina.
Kasama ni Chef Zoro yung dalawa eh.
Kasama niya.
Na DCC.
Mga nagbabalik ang ating mga manlalaro ah.
Ako din. Kababalik ko lang. Kanina lang.
Hold it for deployment. Now's the time to warm up.
Kababalik ko lang kanina.
Saka galing, Tol.
Ito lang din sa
Sundo ka,
bahay.
Tol?
Sa bahay lang.
Yun lang.
Back online. I'm back online.
Online. Walang iya.
Kababalik ang pusa.
Magdalang kong mapak dito sa ano.
Kamaya, susundo.
Oy, nakaapak din dito.
Nakapak din dito. Hindi man tayo nakakapunta dito eh. Walang iya. Ang daming mga kalaban dito.
Takas naman ng
Stan.
recall nito. DMR to, ano? Unang baril.
Saan ka na ba?
Ay, hindi,
Pana
Tol.
pa rin ako eh.
Ano yun, SPR?
Ewan ko, ano yung una. Pinampok ko lang ito eh.
Ever yun.
Pinampok ko lang. Hindi ko ginamit. Pabuhat, boss Guerrero eh.
Papabuhat eh.
Huwag mo akong sisisihin tol ha. Huwag mo akong sisisihin.
Sisihin kita. Kailangan sumunod ko sa akin ha. Pag nag-push ako ha.
Walang ganun tol.
Tayo, ping kayo.
Oh.
Lahat ang may chef.
Yes.
Meron siya, meron.
Diyan.
Gusto niyo doon?
Sige, dyan na pre.
Yan. Ano, king na agad?
Kill na kagad.
Hindi, napin ko lang yan, napin ko lang.
Kay Jer daw yan.
Sabay tanggal.
Huwag niyo kukunin kay Jer daw yan.
Kay Jer daw yung mamaya kasi siya magbubuhat sa atin. Clutch game na naman tayo. Clutch
Tangin
game.
na.
Last game.
0 kills, clutch game.
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
Talagang sumiksik talaga sa iparing dahil.
Your primary objective
Nandun ka ba? Babagsakan mo pa rin pupuntahan ko?
Sino man nauna dun? Dahil.
Ako na ako nga nakakuha ng kontrata eh.
Dapat siksikan.
Talaga.
Walang siksikan.
Mas maganda yung
Tulakan lang.
siksikan.
Huwag magsiksikan, magtulakan lang.
Basta wipe mo lang.
Parang
tol.
sardinas ano?
I-wipe mo lang.
Wipe lang.
Wipe lang.
May kalaban, nandyan ang ano natin. Nandyan ang bounty.
Kahit siksikan, basta team wipe.
Basta team wipe mo. Okay na ako basta.
Wait.
Ano pala yung bounty natin, no?
Oo nga to,
Nag-king po.
nandyan ang bounty.
Tanang yabang ano? Kayabang-yabang to
King po
ah.
ang puso.
Nagyabang pa yan.
Mayabang pa yan.
Mayabang pa.
Kaya daw mag-wipe ng dalawang team tol. Kaya daw eh.
May bounty na nga. King pa. Saan ka pa?
Kaya nga eh.
Diyan ka pa.
Saan ka pa?
Siyempre, shoot
Uy!
na ako sa king.
Naibaba ko yung bala. Saan ka pa?
Kamagala, pupulutin natin yan.
Tinano ko na.
Tol, pushing kami sa target ha. Pushing kami sa target ha.
Sige, sige. Ah, dito.
Pumupatid.
Enemies in the area!
Ang inang yan. May kasama siya dito.
Meron Makoy. Meron pa Makoy, hindi
Ah,
yan ang
may
bounty
kasama.
natin ha.
Pinatay ko lang.
This is the Gulag. Survive and you can redeploy. A bit of argy-bargy.
Nasan siya?
You can practice
Nasa
your
bahay,
aim
tol.
while you wait. Taunting your enemy is an effective way to get
Yun na tol,
inside
yun
their
na. Nakita ko na. Patay na yan, basag na pre. Dalawa yan Makoy, dalawa sila, dalawa. Nadali din si Chef. Nadali din si
Meron
Alam
din
ko,
eh.
ano sa inyo.
Meron sa kasama.
Dalawa yan tol. Dalawa tol, dalawa yan.
Here we go.
Ako ay, yun lang. Dalawa sila pala doon. Nag-aabang na.
Oo. nga. Si pinsan yan.
Talo pa sila dun.
Sa pinsan na.
Na-wipe tayo.
Oo, ni pinsan.
Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose,
May wipe tayo yung pinsan na.
you're up, soldier.
Right tayo ni
Go
pinsan.
sort this fucker out.
Ay, nasa likod pala si Rambo.
You're heading back to base.
Lahat na lang na pumapatay si Rambo.
Not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
Puro Rambo nga.
Uy,
Ganda yung pwesto na yan ah.
Ganda yan, pre.
Ilang percent?
Alam na naman to. Alam mo na Makoy kung anong gagawin.
alam mo ng trabaho mo, tol.
Hanap buhay muna. Oh, may scavenger oh.
May scap pa dito.
Does anyone need this?
Scab na lang, scab na lang
Oo.
pre. Para hindi tayo
Scab.
ma...
Mas kasabay ko pa dun no.
Meron na. Looted eh, oh.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Carlisle lang malakas.
Nananakot ka naman. Puta, di man sila na. Di man lang sila nagtira ng ano. Di man lang nagtira, pre.
Kaya nga eh.
Ikot-ikot ka lang.
Parang sarili mo lang ah.
Binuhayan nila ng gusto ah.
Kaya nga eh.
Buti may scab. Hindi pa kinuha.
Mahiya naman sila. Marami pang maglalaro.
Nakakaya naman sa inyo. Yun lang.
Sige, umalis na ata sila dyan sa luto.
Di lang kalaban ng tinimwipe, pati loot.
Kaya dito may...
Di pa.
Boga yan ah, boga.
Boga to, pre, boga.
Nakasambogan yan.
Uy, nasa yung ano kanina? Ito. May nakita ko ito. Wait lang mga pre ah. Pag bumalik ako to.
No rush.
Baka masisi ako ni Jer kasi pre. Pag
Take your time.
Di ko
Isisihin kita pag matatalo. Kailangan panalunin mo yan.
Yari ako. Ay, putang ina yun na nga pre.
Uy!
Oh,
Si Carlisle kasi.
puta.
Meron palang nanonood sa'yo ah.
Teteng naman. Yan na. Kuha sa sensor yun, no? Ang aga naman natin nagpahinga.
Warm up pa lang yan. Warm up hanggang gabi.
Hanggang gabi.
Kaya naman pala di ako makapatay.